Hey guys, so finally, after a long wait, I was thinking of purchasing MacBook Air M1 and other Apple PCs or laptops. But finally, when I came to know that Apple Mac Mini M4 will soon be going to be released, so finally I decided that I will purchase it only because it has some of the factors that made me purchase it. Firstly, it was cheap in comparison to laptop that I was expecting. That M4 chip MacBook Pro was available at 1,60,000, so it was completely out of my budget. And this came with a student discount, and I got it for about 49,900, and it had 16 GB RAM, although its internal memory is only 256 GB. So this is one of the drawbacks, but we can compensate it with the help of external SSD. So apart from this, it had a very sleek and beautiful design with a lot of ports which are available. Now it also has a power cord. So only two things are available in the box. One is the Apple Mac Mini itself and the power cable. So this is the struggle that a non-Apple product user faces while unboxing some of the things. Overall, it has five C-type ports, out of which three are Thunderbolt 4. One is HDMI cable, we have Ethernet cable port, and power cable port. Here we also have a controversial power button that is in the back side. So you need to lift the PC a bit for turning it on. And overall, I'm happy with the purchase, and because of its sleek design, and Apple is known for its premium products and design quality. So this time we are not getting any Apple stickers. We are only getting some manuals. So I will be making more of such content, and you can follow for more of such upcoming videos. And thank you everyone.